Hello, good afternoon, beloved in Christ. Welcome to this afternoon's meditation. We thank God it's Friday. In today's gospel, Jesus is giving us to understand that being a Christian is a daily commitment. There are no days we will choose to be a Christian or not. And this commitment implies a lot of sacrifices. We will come out from our comfort zone to meet the needs of our brothers and sisters. Emptying ourselves, taking up our cross, breaking ties, and putting God first in everything. Stay blessed as we continue the journey together. May Mary, our mother, intercede for us. Have a blessed Wednesday. Peace be with you.